Yeezys for free? Yup. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll tell you how to enter. Yes, for free. I'm giving a pair away of these 380s for free. You know, I wanted to do something nice for y'all. My channel's pretty new. I know we're all stuck at home. Some of y'all might have missed out on these sneakers, and let me tell you, they're comfy. I've been rocking them pretty much in the house. I ain't got nowhere else to go. But anyways, for y'all that missed out on my sneaker review, at the end of this video, there'll be a link for it and you'll be able to check out the review. But definitely they're comfy sneakers, and the way to enter my giveaway for these sneakers are simple. In the comment section below, enter your IG name and your shoe size. And that's pretty much it. Oh, the biggest step to that is subscribe to my channel as well. And on April 11th at noon Eastern Standard Time, I'll have a digital spin wheel up. Your name will be on there, and whichever name it lands on is a winner. I want to have over 1,000 names on that spin wheel, you guys. So subscribe. Get your entries in. You have until April 11th, 11:59 a.m. That's the cutoff time. So get your names in there, you guys. And let's get this giveaway going. I try to do this as much as I can, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So stay positive, stay live. Keep checking out my channel for the latest reviews. Next review coming up is the Court Purples. They drop actually the same day, April 11th. So look forward for another review coming out before those come out. All right, peace.